Hello kiddos, how are you all? Are you taking good care of yourself? Are you taking care of your parents? And if you have grandparents, are you taking care of your grandparents too? Yes? Kids, you should spend time with your grandparents. You know, it's very amazing and lovely to talk with them. You can tell them what happened today, what you did today, and you can ask them also what they did as a child, how they were in their studies, what they did when they were grown up, and all. Okay, you should spend quality time with your grandparents and parents too. Fine. And after that, you should study also. Yes. Okay. So, shall we continue with our study? Yes. Okay. So, in the previous video, we saw that how you do addition and subtraction in like fraction. Yes. Now, today we are going to see further operation in the like fraction, that is multiplication and division. Fine. So, let's move on. Like fraction पता है ना, wherein you have same denominator. Okay. Now, if I ask you to represent 2 by 4, what you will do? You will draw one whole figure, that is one whole square I have taken here, and you will divide it into 4 parts and you will color 2 parts. That is how you will represent 2 by 4. Fine. Whenever a fraction is given, fraction is a part of a whole. ठीक है ना? It is a part of a whole figure. Yes. So this is the whole figure and this is the part of it. But if I ask you to find 2/4 of a number, that is what we are going to see. That is finding a fraction of a number. Now number is the whole. Yes. मतलब 12 पूरा है. It's not one part. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 12. Now the whole number is to be dealt with a fraction. ठीक है ना? So 2/4 of 12 you have to find. That is 12. We will take some object. Okay, let's take some roses. 12 roses I have here. Now ये एक पार्ट को 2/4 में आपने डिवाइड किया है. One part you have represented by 2/4. Now you have to represent 12 parts in 2/4. Are you getting my question? Yes. Okay, so 12 roses are there. For that, it's 2/4. Yes. So 4th is the denominator. So you know that you have to divide anything in 4 section. यहाँ square को 4 section में divide किया है. तो ये 12 को, that is the roses also, you have to divide it in 4 equal sections. Equal होना चाहिए. That's the must thing. So you will divide. 12 is divided in 4 equal parts. Now how you will do that? 4 equal part? Yes. See, likewise I have divided 12 roses and it's divided in 4 equal parts in such a way that one part will have 3 roses, because that's how you can divide it into 4 equal parts. Yes. So we have 3 roses in each part. Now what it's asked? 2 by 4. ठीक है ना? 4 पार्ट तो हमने डिवाइड कर लिया 12 रोजेस को. नाउ उसमें से कितने पार्ट लेने हैं आपको? 2 parts. That is, you color no here 2 parts. Likewise, you have to take 2 parts from this 4 section. So you will take 2 parts. That is this 2 part. This 2 part is colored. So this 2 part. Fine. So I am taking this 2 part. So how many roses I will take? I will take 2 multiplied by 6. That is 2 part. Sorry, 2 multiplied by 3. That is 2 parts. And each part is having 3 rows. So I will take 3. 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6 roses I will take. Are you getting? This figure is this figure. See, imagine this as a square. 1 vertical line and horizontal line. ये 4 हो गए और ये 2 colored parts हो गए. So that is 2/4 of 12. Fine. So 2/4 of 12 will be 6. Are you getting? So this is the multiplication section of fraction. Don't worry beta, I am explaining you further. It will be clear to you. Okay, let's move on to the this is visualization, because students, I find by visualizing you can remember more. So ये देख के आपको learn करना है. Now we will see how mathematically we can find the answer. Fine. So let's move on. What we saw, 2/4 of 12, वो कितना होता है, that you have to find. That is finding the fraction of a number. So 2/4 of 12 will be same as 2/4 multiplied by 12. Of की जगह मैम ने क्या लिखा है, multiplication sign. ठीक है. Now see this underline 2. Fine. This 2 and 12 is above the line. So what you have to do first is you have to multiply 2 by 12 first of all. So 2 12s are 24, and this 24 you are getting as a numerator, and denominator is what, 4. So 24 divided by 4 you will do, and you will get the answer as 6. Okay, so this is how you get 2/4 of 12 is 6. Again, see, again I will explain you in the next example. It's easy, as the numerator क्या है 2 and 12. So do that first and then deal with the denominator. ठीक है ना? Okay, let's have the next example. Now I have taken the example from exercise 8.4, which is on page number 131 and A part. Now the question is 1/5 of 15. 1/5 part of 15 you have to find out. Now that how you can do? Of की जगह first of all I'll write multiplication. Yes, 1 multiplied by 15. ठीक है. Now what's the numerator? ये जो लाइन है उसके ऊपर क्या क्या है आपके पास, 1 multiplied by 15. So I'll take the numerator first. That is 1 multiplied by 15 will be 15. Now the denominator is left over. So क्या करेंगे, ये आंसर को 15 divided by 5 you will do, and that will be 3. So my answer here, 1/5 of 15 will be 3. So 1/5 of 15 is 3. जब भी आप कोई चीज 15 नंबर, suppose if you take 15 as the roses, and you have to divide 15 into 5 equal parts. Okay, and from that 5 equal part you have to take one part. So that will be 3. Fine. You can do by drawing the roses as I did for the number 12. Okay, now moving to the next question, that is B section. That is 2/3 of 18. Now 2/3 of 18 means 2/3 multiplied by 18, and then the numerator 2 multiplied by 18 will be 36. Now the denominator is left over, so 36 divided by 3 will give me 12. So my answer for 2/3 of 18 is 12. Okay, now moving on to the next question, that is D part. A, B and D I have solved from the exercise 8.4, and the D part is 4/5 of 25. 4/5 multiplied by 25. Fine. Now the numerator is 4 multiplied by 25, which will give me 100, and the denominator, so 100 divided by 5 will be 20. So my answer here will be 4/5 of 25 will be 20. Now here you have to make 25 roses, and you have to divide 25 into 5 equal parts. Fine. And from that 5 equal parts you have to take 4 part. So you will have 4 part which will have 20 roses. Fine. So this is about multiplication of a fraction or finding the fraction of a number. यहाँ पे multiplication यूज किया है, ठीक है ना? So now let's move on to the division section. Okay, now what's how you do division? That is, reducing a fraction means making the fraction as simple as possible. क्या बोला मैम ने? जब भी आप reduce करते हो a fraction को, reducing means subtraction. Subtraction means repeated division. Subtraction is connected to division. Yes, and how it's connected? That is, repeated subtraction means division. So जब आप repeatedly subtract करते हो तो division होता है. आप repeatedly reduce करते हो तो आप क्या करोगे? Division करोगे. Yes, reducing a fraction means making the fraction as simple as possible. आपको क्या करना है पता है? कोई भी एक फ्रैक्शन को reduce करते जाना है. You remember the statement of ma'am, cut it down, cut it down, cut it down till the point that you are not able to cut it further. That is the statement. Yes, you have to go on reducing till the point it is not possible to reduce further, and whenever it's not possible to reduce further, it means that it is the simplest form. उससे ज़्यादा simple नहीं हो सकता. So that is what we will do. Okay. For doing this, you will require division. Fine. And how you will do that division? Okay. You have to come to a point wherein no common factors are there except one between the numerator and the denominator. Don't worry, I am explaining you. Wait. Okay. Now see, one fraction I have taken. And what we have to do? Reduce a fraction. Now how you will reduce? You will reduce it by division. Fine. At this point I will explain you. Wait. So we will do division. Now you have to find किसके टेबल में 4 और 12 आते हैं, और you have to find the common factors between the two. So you have 2 as a common factor. Okay. So 4 divided by 2 will give me what? 2, and 12 divided by 2 will give me 6. Okay. So I have found out the other fractions. Okay. Now 2 by 6. Now are they having some common factors? यहाँ क्या लिखा है? नो कॉमन फैक्टर होना चाहिए. इसमें कोई कॉमन फैक्टर है क्या 2 और 6 में? यस, इट्स 2. ओके, 2 और 6 किसके टेबल में आता है? 2 के टेबल में आता है. ओके, सो वी विल डिवाइड इट बाय 2 and then we will get the answer 1 by 3. Now tell me, you have any common factor between this 1 and 3? No. So this is the statement, no common factors except 1. इस दोनों के बीच में क्या कॉमन फैक्टर्स है? ओनली 1 इज द कॉमन फैक्टर. सो यू हैव टू रिड्यूस 4 by 12 टू सच अ पॉइंट वेयर इन देर इज नो कॉमन फैक्टर एक्सेप्ट 1. और अपनी सिंपल लैंग्वेज में कहूँ तो यू हैव टू reduce it till the point you are not able to reduce it further. अब 1 और 3 को तो ज्यादा और reduce नहीं कर सकते. Yes, so this is what we have made it to the simplest form. We have simplified the procedure. This is as simple as nothing. You cannot simplify it further. So this is the simplest form of 4 by 12. 1 by 3 is the simplest form of 4 by 12. Okay, let's see other example. 18 by 36. I have divided by 3 and found out 3 is a common factor. I have taken. Okay, now you can tell, ma'am 2 भी ले सकते हैं. Yes, you can take 2. Okay, now 6 by 12 I got. Then again I have to take a common factor. You can say, ma'am 3 you can take 2. Yes, you can take that, but I have taken 6 here. Okay, and I have divided 6 by 6 I got 1, 12 by 6 I got 2. So it's 1 by 2. Now I will say that 1 by 2 is the simplest form of 6 by 12 and 1 by 2 is the simplest form of 18 by 36. इससे ज़्यादा सिंपल मैं नहीं कर सकती. ये सबसे सिंपल फॉर्म है. So this is simplifying the fraction and this is the simplest form. Are you clear? Yes? Don't worry, I am telling more, I am solving more examples. Let's take example from exercise 8.5 wherein I have taken the A part. Okay, it's asked to you to reduce the following fractions. You have to reduce the fraction. Now reducing कैसे करते हैं? By division. Okay, and how you will divide? You will find common factors or you will find 2 और 4 किसके टेबल में आएगा? दोनों किसके टेबल में आएगा? 2 के टेबल में. Yes, so 2 I have taken as a common factor and I will divide numerator by 2. So I have to do the same with the denominator. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 will be 1 and 4 divided by 2 will be 2. So this is the fraction I got. Now let's check 1 और 2 में common factors है क्या? नहीं है. So this is the simplest form. You have to reduce to the simplest form. Fine. So my sum is over here and I will say that 2 by 4 is having the simplest form as 1 by 2. ठीक है ना? Now let's take the other example B, that is 6 by 10. Now 6 by 10 common factors क्या होंगे? I can say 2. Yes, so divide by 2. I'll get 6 divided by 2, I'll get 3, and 10 divided by 2, I'll get 5. Now tell me 3 और 5 दोनों किसी और के टेबल में आएंगे? Yeah, you will have a common factors of 3 by 5. No. So here I have completed the sum because 3 by 5 से आगे simplification possible नहीं है. Okay. Now moving on to the C part, that is 14 by 36. 14 by 36 you can take 2 as a common factor. Okay, 14 divided by 2 will give me 7 and 36 divided by 2 will give me 12. Now 7 and 12 both comes in any table? No. So this is the simplest form. 7 divided by something you cannot do it. Anyways 12 divided by 2, 3, 4 you can do, but 7 को तो divide नहीं कर सकते. So you have to perform the same action for numerator and denominator. इसमें denominator में कर सकते हैं but numerator में तो नहीं कर सकते. So this is the simplest form. Fine. Now the D part. I have taken 20 by 24. Now see, 20 by 24, 2 you can take as a common factor. 20 divided by 2 I'll get 10 and 24 divided by 2 I'll get 12. Fine. Now 10 and 12 again it's possible to divide it further with a common factor 2. So 10 divided by 2 I'll get 5 and 12 divided by 2 I'll get 6. Now let's check कौन सा common factor है दोनों में 5 and 6 में. 5 and 6 किसके टेबल में आएंगे? किसी के टेबल में नहीं आएंगे. 6 will come in 2 table but 5 will not come in 2's table. Yes, so this is the simplest form. Okay, so the trick you have to follow is you have to divide till the point you cannot further divide, or you have to simplify, you have to cut it down reducing the fraction to the simplest form. सबसे simple form में लाना है आपको. That is what the question is asked. Reduce the following fraction. Fine. So with this I am giving you exercise 8.4, that is multiplication part, and 8.5, that is division part, as your homework. Certain sums I have solved with you. The rest I think 2 sums only are left. Okay, so that you have to do it by your own.